How to sync Notion with Google Calendar. So to start, we'll just have to open our account. To do that, simply open browser and then search for Notion. After that, log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then scroll down and then tap on this calendar option. In here, you will now see this option, Continue with Google. What we need to do is to tap on this one, and then after that, we'll have to tap on this Continue to Google Permissions. In here, we'll have to tap on our Google account, and then after that, tap on Continue. And then in here, we'll have to select all the Notion calendar access. After that, we'll just have to scroll down, and then in here, tap on Continue. After that, we'll just have to wait for a little, and then in here, tap on this Get Started option. So, as you can see here, my Google Calendar is now synced with Notion. If I go back on my Notion account, and then in here, I'll have to tap on the calendar option, and as you can see, it automatically opened my Google Calendar. So that's how easy we can sync our Notion account with Google Calendar. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!